Hey guys, what is up? Mike here, today bringing you a new tutorial. Today I've got a very nice tutorial for you guys. Well, the top rated comment was to show you the rest of the things I did in this edit. So I'm going to run through those real quick, and the main part of this tutorial will be the blur I did at the start. Now, basically I just started with a fade in, and this is blurred sound. There's a tutorial on how I do my blurred sound, which is slightly different than 90% of people's. So that's the intro right here. It's a blurred video, blurred sound, and my audio is on. That's not good. But yeah, it's a blurred video, blurred sound, and then it comes out. Now there is a tutorial on the blurred audio. There's an annotation on the screen for that right now, and you're gonna see that. You can just click that and see how to do blurred audio and how you transition back to sharp audio. The video, however, I believe this is brand new to Vegas 11, and if we go down here, we're gonna see an effect which is titled Defocus. Now, Defocus, I believe, is new to Vegas 11, so you may need Vegas 11 for this, but all you do is go down to Defocus. If not, there's similar effects, but not exact effects, such as min and max. Like min, I mean, you could sort of do this. That looks bad, see what I'm saying? So, Defocus looks a lot better than these, but median, I think, might work a little bit better. Median works a little bit better, but still, it's not going to give you the same look as Defocus. So Defocus, what I did was drag out the visible outer ring, which gives you that blurred effect, a camera blur effect, and basically all I had to do was, because of this effect, it doesn't have stopwatches, it's like this, it's a OFX effect, I believe it is. You click animate at the bottom here, and at the start you make sure you have your effect all the way up, and then at the end I just keyframed it to everything down. Basically all I needed to drag down was radius, but I dragged everything down just in case. And that way everything like evenly went down. As you can see, it just goes, it starts really blurred, and then oops, I just dragged that, and then it gradually gets better to sharpness. Now the flashes I went over, annotation on the screen right now if you didn't see that tutorial, and I went over those. Now on these ones I did end them early, so they did end, and that looks alright. That's not what I did in my tutorial, but yeah, it's easy. The audio, we've gone through the audio, the blur, and the flashes. Now we have the end part, which is basically a color burst. Now, many people were asking me this, and I was like confused about it, because this effect is the CC lens for Sony Vegas further improved version. And basically what I did was add a color correction and the CC lens. There's a tutorial on the screen right now for that. And the color correction is in my pack. If you guys want to know what that color correction is that I'm using, I'll show you right now. My Magic Bolt looks 64-bit, which there's a tutorial for that too. So I'm not going to post that one on the screen, but you guys can check. Or actually, I guess I will. I'm not using my own. Those are my custom ones. I'm using the CC2 in CC's Unknown. So there you go. And that's all I did. So that's basically it, guys. Blurred audio on the screen now. Let's see. Color flashes on the screen now. CC lens on the screen now, as well as Magic Bolt looks 64-bit on the screen now, and also my color correction pack where you can find this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial. Tomorrow we've got a little community video for you guys, which I'm sure you'll enjoy, and then finally the 4th will be a huge day for you guys. I will be releasing the new version of Sony Vegas Twixtor, which is going to be a huge day for all of us. So look forward to that. Alright, peace guys. This has been FluffeyHD. Like if I helped you out. Don't like if you didn't like the video. And peace guys.